Which type of solvent would best promote an SN1 reaction mechanism? In an SN1 reaction, the leaving group leaves before the nucleophile attacks. After the leaving group leaves, we're left with a carbon that has a positive charge on it, which we call a carbocation. The carbocation is really unstable and will only form under the correct conditions. One of those conditions required is to have a really polar solvent, like water, for example, because the OH bonds are really polar and it gives the oxygen a partial negative charge, which is able to interact with that positively charged carbocation and stabilize it a little bit. And this will happen with multiple molecules of water, which allows that carbocation to form. The only solvents that are polar enough to do this have hydrogens that are bonded to a highly electronegative atom, like oxygen or nitrogen, because those are really polar bonds. And the oxygen or the nitrogen will have that partial negative charge, which can then interact with that carbocation. Solvents like these are called polar protic solvents because they are polar and because a hydrogen is part of that covalent polar bond. Let me know in the comments if there are other topics you'd like to see covered.